Okay, this is a look at Center City. If you can see it, this was just before 5 o'clock. There was some lightning in the distance and the skyscrapers have disappeared in the torrential rain. We continue to be in a next weather alert. Andrew is back now with the latest on today's storms.
Aziza, it's been a busy afternoon and it's certainly turning into a busy evening as well. Current time now as we make it away toward 6:42, 6:43, and we are tracking a line of storms. Some of these are severe right now. Central New Jersey, just east of Philadelphia. For Gloucester, Camden, Burlington, and Atlantic counties, we have a severe thunderstorm warning till 6:45 till 7:15 for Camden, Gloucester, the other part of those counties on the southern edge, and Salem counties until 7:15. What are we seeing? Of course, heavy rain, gusty winds, and one in Delaware this warning now that has got us a little concerned. Myself for Kent and Newcastle, myself along with Chief Meteorologist Bill Kelly, who's in this Sunday afternoon. We are looking at this storm not only packing a punch with heavy rain and gusty winds and the potential for some hail, but when we watch for green against red, that is the movement of the storm. There could be a little bit of rotation, and this is a little concerning. So I'd say right now, if you're anywhere between Van Dyke, Forest, and there's Walker, there's Highway 13, I'd say at this point, just stay inside, get to the lowest level of your house. There is not, and let me repeat this, there is not a tornado warning on this storm, but when we take a look at this as meteorologists and kind of pick the storm apart and we see a little bit of rotation, we want to get ahead of any warning that could potentially come out. So treat this very seriously. Walker, even over toward areas like Woodland Beach and Collins Beach, as this continues to move to the east at about 35 to 40 miles per hour. Now, across New Jersey, this is the storm right now that is warned across the central part of the state where we have heavy rain, gusty winds, and there also has been some hail with these storms. In fact, we saw a little bit of hail a little earlier, about a couple of miles south and west of Philadelphia International. I'm picking apart the storm here to find any rotation. We're not seeing that with this storm, so we're going to stand down for that across central and southern New Jersey. Meantime, there's some of the hail reported within the last hour or so between Wilmington and the airport. This is on 95 or very close to 95. A couple of storm reports as well that we've seen some limbs, trees down near Limerick. We've also had in Marlton Township, this is in Camden County at 525, a wind gust of around 61 miles per hour. Remember, winds any more than about 57, 58 miles per hour would be considered severe. That could bring down trees and power lines and cause some damage. So these storms have had a history of some of that. Look how quickly those temperatures have fallen from the upper 80s, low 90s, and where it fell over 100 degrees to 72 in Philadelphia. Dover is 92 right now. We recovered nicely in the 70s and 80s across the Jersey Shore after a flooding morning. Our futurecast taking us into the next couple of hours. Still looking at those storms moving across central and southern New Jersey. By the time we get to our 11 o'clock newscast tonight, though, we should be in the clear for severe weather. We should be in the clear well before that. But we are going to be looking at leftover rain showers on top of an already soaked ground. Could be looking still at some flash flooding all the way through the overnight. Take a sigh of relief. By tomorrow morning, we're back into sunshine. Waking up with plenty of sunshine, sunglasses on, sun visors down for that morning commute. Temperatures in the 70s by the afternoon, 80s by the end of the day. Monday is going to feel so nice. Here's your 7-day forecast. We get through today and Monday looks so much better. 82 degrees, 86 on Tuesday, and then we're looking at a chance for a couple of thunderstorms 4th of July. I wouldn't cancel any plans. The travel days, Tuesday, Wednesday leading to it look great, but we'll watch for more unsettled weather as we head toward the end of next week. Unfortunately, that is the holiday weekend, so stay tuned. Aziza?